Guess what I got? Chicken of the sea. Sardines and mustard sauce. Oh, yeah, baby. It's real. It's real and they're back. I'm gonna not mix my baseball and my sardine eating. I feel like that was probably a little too niche. And we're just gonna make videos for both. I'm gonna keep them on the same channel. I'm gonna keep them on the same channel for the four of you who are interested in both things, so you don't have to go searching too far. One thing I mean, you're probably not going to remember because it's been so damn long. The chicken of the sea, they don't tell you anything about the product on the can. It is a product of Poland. It is wild caught. Questions or comments? Looking for nutritional information? Let's chat. Call us toll free at 844-698-8621. Make sure to have your can code ready when you call. So, there you go. There you have it. I'm going to open this up. Oh, this is not a breakfast can of fish, unfortunately, but we've opened it, so. Oh! What does that look like? All right, there we go. Some mustard sauce on these sardines. That's what you're looking at. Very neat and mustardy. Very neat and mustardy. Stacked in there. Oh. I gotta psych myself up for this. I'm gonna wash my hands first. All clean. Okay, so here we go. For those of you who don't know or care, I recently tried to eat the 72-ounce steak at the Big Texan. That's like their famous little place where people go to try to eat the big steak. Very close. I put down about 61, 62 ounces. I got a little lunch in there. I took a day off of meat. I had a big old veggie sandwich yesterday. Big old veggie sandwich. And now it's time to choke these mustard fish down. That reminds me of a holiday. It reminds me of a holiday that my culture doesn't necessarily celebrate. But I feel like if I were to make a friend who was from over there, Eastern Europe, Scandinavia, and I happened to be there during a certain holiday, they'd be like, "Oh, you must try the mustard sardine." That's how this. That's what this reminds me of. Very festive spices. I think there's a little dill in there. Almost a sweetness as well. I might be crazy about the sweetness, but I'm detecting a little bit of sugar. Maybe a little bit of sugar. We'd have to call to find out, which I don't really care. I gave you guys the number. You can call if you want. Yeah. And then, don't waste the sauce. Pour it over the liverwurst afterwards. Or some sort of grain. Definitely. No bones to speak of. And if there are any, I'm not picking them up. Looks great in there. I wish to God the quality of this camera were better. I'm so sorry. I'm an amateur. I'm a guy in a hotel room with two jobs, trying to make his leisure time somewhat proactive. Well, going outside in this heat, I spend enough time in the heat. I burn a lot of calories. I got heat cramps 3-4 days old. God, I'm not kidding about that either. Maybe it's because I haven't been eating my canned fish. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, I'll miraculously wake up and thanks to these mustard sauce sardines, the cramps will have vanished. We will find out. The last one, I'm going to get as much sauce on it as possible here. Because I'm probably going to have to drink this mustard. It's too valuable tasting. It tastes too valuable to just cast. I don't want to just cast it. Yes. Yes. Dripping mustard. Okay. So if you're in the mood for mustard, as far as what I've experienced in my life, that's a 9 out of 10. Whoa, what did he just say? Yeah. Chicken of the sea, sardine and mustard sauce. 9 out of 10 on the deep cover canned fish scale. Now for the tricky part. You didn't see any reaction to that because it was actually delightful. Okay? Oh, thank you for watching. Go out and get some chicken of the sea sardines and mustard sauce, y'all. Go get them.